Google's next mid-range phone will most likely be revealed next month. We know quite a bit about it already, thanks to rumors and leaked images. Today, trusted leaker Steve has shared with us high-quality images of the Pixel 7a last month. I brought you intelligence to signaling Google's return to the kingdom of blue when it comes to giving its Pixel wearers that special tint for at least the early part of 2023. The Pixel 7a and the Pixel Buds A series in particular. Now I'll let some more pictures tell the rest of the story. In addition to the traditional white and black, maybe more dark gray actually. Options, we're also seeing the upcoming mid-ranger in a lovely sky blue. It's not known how Google will name these colors for marketing purposes, but we've got a few guesses. As with the main Pixel 7 series, the Pixel 7a's design language goes with a single color for what's been rumored to be a ceramic surface, and a metal visor band with a single glass opening for 2 cameras plus another opening for an LED flash module. The phone apparently has a metal frame and a plastic build, and the camera bar seemingly has a matte aluminum cover instead of glass. 9to5 Google says that the camera bar is lower. The front is visually indistinguishable from the Pixel 6a. There is a punch hole in the center for the front camera, and the bezels are quite noticeable. This is not the first time we are seeing leaked images of the Pixel 7a. Even though one leaker said that the phone would be available in 5 hues, the common consensus is that it will come in 3 colors: white, gray, and light blue. As for the specs, previous reports indicate the Pixel 7 will be powered by the Pixel 7's Tensor G2 chipset. It will have a 6.1-inch OLED screen with a higher 90Hz refresh rate than the Pixel 6a. The phone is likely to have new 64MP main and 13MP ultrawide shooters. Unlike the Pixel 6a, it's also expected to support wireless charging. The device is rumored to have 128 gigs of storage, and this time around, we may see 2 RAM options, 6 and 8 gigs. Even though there aren't many visual changes, there will likely be a lot of changes under the hood, and this could help the Pixel 7 to become the best mid-range phone of the year. Aesthetics aren't on the top of the priority pile for smartphones, but the Blue 7 sure looks like it'll pretty up for our cameras in the review lab. So how do you like these new color options for upcoming Pixel 7 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next month. See you for the next time. Peace out.